Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit a 12 volt USB charger onto a motorcycle. So first of all, what you want to do is locate the battery, which on the Duke is underneath the seat. I'm going to pop the seats off. And there's a battery there. So I bought this one off of eBay and it comes with a little fuse. So you want to take that fuse out before you do anything, and then you can pop that fuse back in at the end. So just pull this right down. Now that you've found the battery, what you want to do is pick a side that you want to wire it, stick it on. So I'm going to put it on the near side, and you see these group of wires coming down here. What you want to try and do is keep them all together, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to stick it, hang it there for a second. I'm going to run this wire and this wire down under there, tuck it through there, down like that. Now we want to run it and hide the wire somewhere nowhere near the engine, so you don't want this wire getting hot. Just tuck it up. And you've got the wires back here now. Slacken this off. So you've got enough there, so you want to be able to turn the handlebars as well without it stretching it. Right, with this one that I bought, you get two different brackets, so you pick which one you want to use basically. I'm going to pick this one and use this one, so I probably won't need that, I don't think. So what you want to do is follow this wire down and make sure it is hidden and it is sturdy and secure. Right, for the next part, you're going to need a screwdriver. Now that you've got your screwdriver, what you want to do is undo these. Jesus. Undo that and undo this one. I'm gonna pop the positive on. I was struggling to get the grip into the bolt at the bottom, so I'm just raising it with the other screwdriver and tightening it up with this one to make sure it goes in there flush. Right. You got that one on, same on the other side. You want to get the little fuse just to double check and make sure it's working. So chuck a fuse in it just to be safe before you start hiding all this. That is not what you want to do. Luckily, I can see it down there. Oh, I'm gonna need to get a magnet. Right guys, I'm back with a magnet, so let's hope I can get this. Now that I've wedged it underneath there, I'm gonna have to take that off. So I'll cut that part out. Right, now I'm gonna pretend that last thing never happened. You wanna put the fuse in. Tighten the fuse up, and now basically just check that it works, which it does. Cool. So now it's just putting it all back together and then securing. You want to secure this wire here with cable ties somewhere, just to make sure this slacked part here stays there. So you want to secure it around here with a cable tie, and then somewhere around the frame there with a cable tie as well, just to keep this slack here. Right guys, now what you want to do is mount the charger. So you're going to need these or the metal bracket that comes with it. You want to mount it that way. I don't know if this is going to... don't know if we're going to be able to use all of this, but we'll give it a go. So, say we want it there. Gonna wrap this around here like that. And we're gonna use this. Just check which way it slides on. You don't want to be sliding it. Right, we want it that way. So over there. I know it looks a bit shit with that rubber bit on there, but it will be hidden pretty much, so it doesn't look too bad. Then doing the bracket up, you get a little bolt and a screw in the bag that comes with it. And as you can see, the bolt goes on top. So what we want to do is just twist that around. Twist that around, get the screw in on both sides. Now we're going to need, get that in like that, and now we're going to need a little screwdriver. Do this up. Slide it back round again. And just tighten it up from underneath. And nice and tight so it's not moving about. Now what we're going to do is put this on. Like this. That still can go back a little bit more. There we go, it clicked. Don't know if you guys heard that. It's still a little bit loose. There we go. Just angle it wherever you want it. Right, now that you've got it on there, you want to hide this wire. Can't have this hanging down like that. So this is where the cable ties come in. Try to hide this as much as you can. Now, what we've got to do is let's put the seat on now. Seat back on. See, it's all hidden. Pop the back seat on. And now, as you can see, works. That's how you fit 12-volt USB charger to your bike.
Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us to